Hi, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Some of our Cat Scratch Kitchen family have asked us to recreate a copycat version of Tony
Chachere's
Creole seasoning, and we're here today to do just that. If you love big, bold Creole flavor but hate running to the store every time you run out, then this video is for you. We're using simple pantry staples to recreate that classic Creole magic. It's got that perfect kick and it tastes fresher than the original. It's perfect on everything from fish to chicken. It's incredibly easy to make, and I'm showing you exactly how to do it right now. So grab your apron and stick around because your dinner is about to get a lot more exciting. We're going to be using 10 herbs and spices that you probably have in your pantry. We start out with a tablespoon of onion powder. Now, as I'm going through this, if you happen to miss any of the measurements or the ingredients, don't worry. There's a link in the description to print it out, as well as the recipe, so you can see the actual ingredients and the measurements. Then we need a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of dried oregano, a tablespoon of basil, dried basil, a half a tablespoon of thyme, which is a teaspoon and a half a tablespoon of black pepper, a half a tablespoon of white pepper, a half a tablespoon of cayenne, 2.5 tablespoons of paprika, and 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now we just need to stir this together. Now if you want to, you could use it as is, but the actual Creole seasoning that you buy in the store is of a fine texture. So we're going to run it through our spice grinder just to make sure that all those herbs get ground down and they actually disperse better, more evenly mixed. So I've got my spice grinder here. Probably going to have to do it in a couple of rounds. And I have my jar here ready that I've labeled as Creole seasoning to put it in when it's done. Now you can see we've got that nice fine texture that we're looking for. I'm going to get my funnel here so I don't pour it everywhere. And that's all there is to it. You have your own jar of Creole seasoning, just like you can buy in the store. Now you can make this in double and triple the amount of the recipe, depending on how often you use it. It'll keep easily for 6 months in your cabinet before you want to start refreshing it, because the herbs will start to get a little bit stale and you lose some of that flavor. So I hope you enjoy it. It's just another seasoning to add to our spice rack that you always like to have on hand.